Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Deva Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Gurudev Namaः. So you are all science students. So you must be knowing what is composition. Composition means the things that we are made up of. So as per Hindu mythology, we are all made up of same things: Agni, Jal, Vayu, Bhu and Akash. So we have same composition among us. We are same. But what defines us, what distinguishes us is our characteristics. Who defines our characteristics? What makes us unique? Our characteristics are defined by the people around us, by the things around us, and how we think and how we grow is based on your gurus, the gurus who guide you to succeed in life, to proceed in life. I have belonged to a poor family, but that is poor only by money. In fact, I am the richest person in the world in terms of the family composition. So I have my father, mother, now I'm married, so I have 2 children as well. So they all are my guides. They guide me to grow, to learn new things every day. I remember the times when I was quite young and I used to go to temple to see the God. But now I have grown up and I now realize that the God was there who put me on the shoulder. He was my father. He guided me at every step. Even during my failures, he encouraged me. I remember the times when I first went to college. He told me, now it is your responsibility to study or not, it's your life, but don't ever smoke. So he indirectly told me what to do and what not to do. And those words are still in my mind. On my birthdays, even though we did not had anything much luxury to eat, but we used to give a part of it to the poor people around us. So that showed how he thinks of the world, how he thinks of the community that we have. And on the similar path, I would like to grow and go on that path. So similarly, I am learning from my children. Every day I am learning new things. So my family is like gold. It's like we quarrel, we fight, but at the same time we bond again. We have new bondings altogether. So that's my first guru in life, the whole family. If you put together all the mothers in the earth, here's my mother who is always caring. So I also learned to care from her. About the second guru, failure is my second guru. We all have success and failure in our lives. We all fail every time. I also failed in 5th class. I failed in 3 subjects. One of them was English, of course, right? Then I learned from my failures because of the inspiration of my family and those failures. I topped the 6th exam. I was not only cleared the 6th class, but I topped that exam. Again, during the life, we had many failures. In 11th class, I also failed, had a compartment. Then I again grew, again rocked the stage, and then again aced that exam. So failures teach me. Even during the interviews, I had many failures. And because of one of the failures I am here, I met my indirect guru here.
Thanks so much.
So yeah, I'm learning every day. I'm growing every day. And the third important guru is my self-consciousness. But third, self-consciousness is a product of the different people around me. Different people means it's always you, and the persons that I meet. Even on the virtual platform, I meet so many people. For example, Sandeep Maheshwari, I have seen many of his speeches. So self-consciousness is a respect for oneself and respect for others as well. There were hard times, not only for me, but there are hard times for others as well. So we should understand, we should actually give a part of our earnings, part of whatever we can do for others. In the COVID also, like my father taught me one thing, that if you give something with the right hand, left hand should not be knowing that. So there are people around us, you will find they need your help. May not be that help may not be in terms of money, but that help may be in terms of affection, that help may be in terms of studies, that help may be in terms of books, or any other means. So you should try to serve the society as much as you can, as much as you are willing to, as much as you have time. But yeah, first priority is your family, and after that you should devote something for the other. Self-consciousness also means you should learn from your successes as well. Sometimes I fail, but that self-consciousness realized me, right? That I had overcome this kind of failure in the past, so I should do it again. I should be motivated not only for myself but for my children. They should see something that they can take my path and go beyond what I expect them to do. So this is self-consciousness, and I would like to motivate you all to do better in your studies and make some path forward for the others to follow you, so that you can also be some motivational leaders going forward. You are on the right platform, you are on the right path, so go ahead, take this opportunity, and good luck. Thank you.